Hello guys, welcome back to Chart Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Fortnite Chapter 3. Season 2 is having waiting issue. Waiting in queue problem, as you can see. So we're going to talk about how we can fix this up, and this error is happening to many of the users and they're unable to fix the issue. So we're going to talk about how we can completely fix this up. So let's move to the workarounds. We're going to talk about how we can completely fix this issue. So there are possible workarounds that you have to try out, and this is actually nothing to worry. Actually, this is all about that's happening from the servers, because many people are trying to launch into the game, so that's why they're having the issue on the Fortnite. So we don't have to worry anything else. So what we have to do is we just have to try this. So the first one is you just have to wait and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue up or not. And if it's not working after loading, for example, if you're having half an hour, you just have to wait for half an hour. Like the name indicates, you just have to wait for the respective time. And once the respective time is over, you just have to restart your PC. If you're on any kind of console, you just have to restart your PC. Okay, next is all about you just have to do a restart on your PC, and you have to check whether you're able to fix the issue up or not. And even if it's not working, then we just have to move to the next one. The next one is all about you have to stay in the queue. And you may be wondering, is this is actually fix or not? Because this is actually a fix which is represented by themselves from their end, because you have to stay in these servers, because we are having a trouble in this server, so that's why we are having this issue. So this is actually that's what we have to do in all these days. You just have to wait for it, and once it is actually done, we'll be letting you know, and you just have to stay in the queue. You don't have to get panicked, because many users are trying to get into the game, that's why they are having the issue. And this is about it, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon on the next video. Peace out.